Hi everyone, Karnika here, and today's video is about essential Python library for machine learning and data science. From predictive analytics to AI-driven innovations, these libraries offer it all. Let's understand the secret behind the code. Think of library as your all-in-one toolkit for machine learning. They are packed with pre-built functions and algorithms designed to make projects streamline. Let's explore the essential libraries: NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. These libraries are the foundation of modern data science, helping us to process, analyze, and model data. They save us time, yes, but most importantly, they empower us to solve complex problems efficiently. Let's jump into the coding window and see these libraries in action. I'll show you how each one can be used to tackle different aspects of machine learning. First, we have the undisputed champ of numerical computing in Python, NumPy. It's like a speed demon that makes working with arrays and mathematical operations crazy fast. Check out the simple code where we are importing NumPy, creating an array, and then voila, multiplying every element by 2 in just one smooth move. That's NumPy's superpower, handling complex array operations with ease. Next, we meet Pandas, the secret weapon in our data arsenal for manipulating and analyzing tabular data. It's like spreadsheets, but on steroids. Imagine turning product names and price into a table. That's what Pandas does. It sorts, filters, analyzes, organizes your data, and make everything neat and tidy. Next, Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn democratizes machine learning, offering simple access to complex algorithms for data mining and analysis. It's like magic wand for complex algorithms, making them super accessible. In the coding window, we are importing all the required elements of Scikit-learn. We generate a simple data, split it into training and test set, and train a random forest classifier with just a few lines of code. We predict and evaluate our model's performance. Lastly, when it comes to deep learning, TensorFlow and PyTorch are the rock stars. TensorFlow is ideal for large-scale projects, while PyTorch offers flexibility for research and experimentations. There's a vast community, countless resources, forums, official documentation, and tutorials. These are the great place to start your machine learning journey. Mastering these libraries takes practice and patience. Start small, build projects, and gradually tackle more complex problems. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, add them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have fun.